Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can completely remove or uninstall program from your PC based on Windows 11. So if you just uninstall program by control panel programs and feature, here for example you uninstall one of your software, one of your apps on your PC. Here for example uninstall. So in this case, you are not completely remove the software or the program from your PC or your laptop. For example, after you uninstall a program, you can jump into registry editor. You can search on your program by software. For example, you can see the program still here. In order to completely remove it, you can try to delete the folder. And also, if you don't understand how you can use the registry editor, you can simply install the uninstaller software such as Revo uninstaller here. This is a free download, but you can purchase some of the pro feature, but you can try a 30-day trial to use this Revo uninstaller. So these main features, you can force uninstall, a manage installation log, and uninstall into the roots of your software. Even there is a mobile version of this software, and there is some a uninstaller software that you can try that can remove completely into the roots of your software from your PC or laptop. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the text button below. See you in the next video.